students, today we will do exercise of chapter 10, reaching the age of adolescence. So let's start from question number 1. See, what is the term used for chemical secretion of endocrine gland responsible for changes taking place in the body? So the answer is the chemical substances secreted by the endocrine glands is called hormones, and hormones are responsible for the changes taking place in the body. Okay. Question number 2. Define adolescence. So the answer is the time period which comes between the beginning of adulthood and puberty is called adolescence. In this time period, the body undergoes different changes alongside reproductive maturity. It starts somewhat at the age of 11 and ends at the age of 18 or 19. This period of adolescence may differ from person to person. Okay. Now question number 3. What is menstruation? Explain. So, the process of shedding of the uterine lining on a regular monthly basis is called menstruation. It starts at puberty and in the reproductive cycle of the female body. The uterus prepares itself to receive a fertilized egg on every month. Due to this, the inner lining of the uterus becomes thick and is supplied with blood to nourish the embryo. If the egg is not fertilized, then the lining of the uterus breaks down and gets released in the form of blood through the vagina. The time period for this is about 2 to 8 days every month. This monthly cycle is known as the menstrual cycle. Okay. Now question number 4. List changes in the body that take place at puberty. So, the changes that take place at the time of puberty are as follows. First, the height and weight of the body will suddenly increase. Second, the hair seems to appear in the areas such as legs, hands, face and underarms. In female, the enlargement of the ovary take place at start producing matured eggs, and on the other hand, in males, the testes grow and start producing sperms. D. In males, the shoulder broadens and chest become widened, whereas in females, the region below the waist become wider. The acne seems to appear because of the excessive secretion of the oil from the skin. In boys, the larynx becomes prominent under the influence of hormones. The vocal cord becomes longer and thicker, resulting in hoarse voice. Now question number 5. Prepare a table having two columns depicting name of endocrine glands and hormones secreted by them. See, endocrine gland and hormones. Testis, testosterones, ovary, estrogen, pituitary, growth hormone, adrenaline, thyroid, thyroxine, pancreas, insulin. Now question number 6. What are sex hormones? Why are they named so? State their function. The solution is the chemical substances produced by the sex organs are called sex hormones. For example, in females, the sex hormones produced by the ovary is called estrogen, and in males, the sex hormones produced by the testis is called testosterone. Some of the functions performed by the sex hormones. See, estrogen. This hormone is responsible for the development of secondary sexual characters in females like enlargement of breast, development of female reproductive organs, etc. And testosterone. These hormones bring the secondary sex character in boys, such as the growth of beard, the boys become hoarse, development of the reproductive organs, etc. Now question number 7. Choose the correct option. See, adolescents should be careful about what they eat because proper diet is needed for the rapid growth taking place in their body. Second, reproductive age in women start when their body weight increases. See, the right meal of adolescents consists of chapati, dal and vegetables. Question number 8. Write notes on Adam's apple, secondary sexual characters, sex determination in the unborn baby. C. Adam's apple. During puberty, a change in the voice of Voice of boys and girls takes place due to increase in the size of the voice box or larynx. In boys, the voice box tends to protrude out on the upper part of the neck below the chin and is often referred to as Adam's apple. B. Secondary sexual characters. Those characters which are visible more apparently and help in distinguishing a male from a female are called secondary sexual characters. For example, in girls, breast, and in boys, facial hair, mustache and beard. Okay. Now C. Sex determination in the unborn baby. The sex of a child, whether it is a male or a female, is determined at the time of fertilization when a male gametes fuse with a female gamete. All human beings have 23 pairs of chromosomes in the nuclei of their cells. Two chromosomes out of these are sex chromosomes. A female has two X chromosomes, while a male has one X and one Y chromosome. The gametes, egg and sperm, have only one set of chromosomes. The unfertilized egg always has one X chromosome. But sperms are of two kinds, one having X chromosome and other having Y chromosome. When a sperm containing X chromosome fertilizes the egg, the zygote would have two X chromosomes and develop into a female child. If the sperm contributes a Y chromosome to the egg or ovum at fertilization, the zygote would develop into a male child. It is thus also clear that the sex chromosomes of the father determine the sex of an unborn baby. Now, question number 9. Word game. Use the clues to work out the word. See, you will see direct answer. See and fill in your book. Okay. Now here your chapter 10 is completed. Write in your fair copy.